believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up.
Hello, cutie. You're welcome to another interesting letterwork class. And today we will be treating making the phonic sound of letter K. We will be treating making the phonic sound of letter K. Very good. So what you are seeing right now on your screen is letter K. Remember in our last lesson, we talked about letter A. We also talked about letter B. And today we are treating letter K. And looking forward, we are going to be learning the corresponding objects of letter K. So one of them is car. Letter K as in car. Letter K as in car. So right now, I would like you to echo this with me. So let's go. Letter K as in car. Letter K as in car. Very good. There is another corresponding object we will be looking at today, and that is cup. And that is cup. Letter K as in cup. Letter K as in cup. So a quick reminder about letter B. Letter B as in ball. So you don't get to forget it. And also letter A as in apple. Very good. So I hope you can now identify letter A to letter K with its corresponding object anytime you see them. Like looking at your screen, you'll see your letter A to letter K. And letter A as in apple. B as in ball. And K as in car. So please do not forget, as this brings us to the end of today's lesson. Do not forget to attend to your quiz and assignments. Till we meet again, champion. Love you and bye.